Presenting the newest entrant in our portfolio, V-Guard Modular Switches. Designed using superior components, our switches have been built keeping the discerning consumer preference in mind. V-Guard Modular Switches come with a lot of attractive features such as shrouded terminals for enhanced safety, silver contacts for better conductivity, UV protected FR grade polycarbonate for enhanced durability and many more. Designed to perfection, these switches are easy to assemble and install. The front loading and removal of modules makes the installation process convenient, unlike any other products out there. Unlike regular switches, there are no unpleasant electrical sparks or sounds. Our innovative designs won't let dust to accumulate on the cover plates or let the sockets come off broken due to excessive usage. The cover plate or the visible portion of the top plate size is comparatively more than any competitive offering to give optimum overlap in metal boxes. This will help hide the uneven plastering around the metal boxes when installed in actual wall conditions, resulting in a flawless appearance. Every V-Guard product passes stringent quality control tests and goes through multiple research and development stages, ensuring that only the best quality product reaches our consumer. From its initiation to the final product, various best-in-class machineries and equipments are used. Materials and components used in our products go through thorough inspection and quality checks before they are used to create the superior quality products that our consumers deserve. Materials and components, once molded, are tested for quality checks before they are passed on to the assembly area. The assembled pieces are tested again for continuity and various other operational and functional checks. Bureau of Indian Standards or BIS mandates a series of rules and benchmarks to deem a product worthy of being a superior quality product. At V-Guard, along with BIS mandates, we also have our own set of stringent standards giving our consumers the assurance of making a purchase that they can trust and depend upon. The products are subjected to what is called a glow wire test. This ensures that parts of the insulating material, which might be exposed to thermal stress due to electric effects, shall not be unduly affected by abnormal heat and fire. As per BIS-IS requirement, the products are subjected to a test to conclude that the product can withstand both mechanical and electrical stress in normal use. A 10 ampere switch is subjected to 40,000 operations as per BIS standard. For sockets, samples are subjected to 10,000 strokes as per IS requirement. Switches and sockets are also checked at higher rating. A 10 ampere switch is checked at 16 ampere to be approved OK, and a 6 ampere socket is checked at 10 ampere rating before being approved OK. As per V-Guard's product development protocol, our switches and sockets are subjected to life cycle test. Our 10 ampere switch can withstand up to 2 lakh operations, while our sockets can withstand up to 4 to 5 times of BIS standard requirement. Finally, robust packaging process ensures that your V-Guard product comes to you in an attractive and safe package. At V-Guard, we are not just thinking about the next innovation. We are constantly seeking to understand human life and its relationship with the tools and appliances that are used. It has been our endeavor to seamlessly bring together technology, innovation, durability, and longevity to bring you a product that will stand the test of time. It is your trust in us that motivates us to come up with more technological innovations that will bring home a better tomorrow.